all sports facilities in our county. That is having good sports ground, that's the infrastructure, having good sports fields, having good swimming pools, having good tennis balls, those kind, and providing equipment. Second, on how we're going to incubate these challenges by providing them platform outside our country or outside our county to go and compete, and also giving them exposure so that when they come back, they be at their best.
30 schools from across the country and clubs, and it has brought together over 500 entries, 500 participants, and most important, this is the first time we have had over 2,000 entries in our swimming gala. One of the purposes for this event is we are going to select a county team.
Na tukinikiriria gikunjiro gitu kia mohoro ni ati njorua ya mwaka wa 2022 ya muthako wa parkour niwe no